Good girl. Coat's coming in nice and even. Let's get this shoulder. See how smooth that is? No dryness, no bumps. Perfect. That's it. Just like a mirror. You're looking great.
Each stroke lifts what the cow naturally lets go of this season. We keep only the finest, the part that has already served its purpose to her. Collected in one batch, traceable, unhurried, it's destined to be spun and woven into the shirt. From her
chrome-free, all botanical. This is where the hide takes on its character. Slowly, let it drink. Natural color stays true, light, warm, alive.
Scan initialized. Thickness 1.93 millimeters. Grain density 82.4%. Moving to the right section. Microscar detected. Depth less than 3 microns. Noted. Spine region shows thicker profile.
Same hide, same grain. Every panel has to belong to its brothers. That's how you make leather drape like cloth. Laser's precise, but it's the eye that guides it. Listen to the cut, clean as a whisper. Fronts, yoke, sleeves, all matched from the same back.
Let the steam do the work. Shoulder seam, smooth, collar sits perfect, not a ripple left. It's ready.